Every masterpiece begins with a promise of perfection.
Inside these walls, precision rules everything.
Only the rarest materials earn a place here.
Nothing moves forward without approval.
Strength is formed before beauty.
Every bolt carries responsibility.
Comfort begins beneath the surface.
Power is engineered, not rushed.
Precision defines motion. Hands still matter in a world of machines. Form finds its identity.
Luxury begins with purity. Every detail earns its place. Nature meets craftsmanship. Comfort is engineered emotion. Technology bows to elegance.
Color defines character.
Perfection takes patience. Flaws have no hiding place. Everything comes together.
Balance meets motion. A symbol of timeless legacy.
Intelligence refined.
Silence becomes power.
Luxury must feel flawless.
Refinement reaches its peak.
Every system speaks quietly. Approval is earned, never assumed.
Identity sealed. Prepared for the world. Each one unique.
Journey begins here.
From factory to legacy. Pride needs no words.
Craftsmanship never sleeps.
A masterpiece moves on. Excellence remains.
Tomorrow, it begins again.
compromise.
And this is how Rolls-Royce builds the solid gold Phantom from scratch.